Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to make a work reminder using the ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. Ultrasonic sensor will track the hand movements, and if there is no movement for more than 10 seconds, a vibrating module or an LED will turn on for 3 seconds and will repeat this process until the movement is detected again. This project is brought to you by pcbway. What I really like about them is that you can get 10 professional made boards for around $5, which is really amazing for professionally made boards. On their website, just click on the Get Instant Quote and you will see how much the PCB will cost. They also offer other services like PCB assembly, 3D printing, CNC machining. The link will be in the description, so go and check them out. For this project you will need a ultrasonic range module, vibration module, breadboard, some jumper wires, Arduino board and Visuino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to Visuino website and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add ultrasonic ranger component. Add analog change only component. Select change only one and in the properties window set threshold to 10. This means that the value from the ultrasonic ranger will pass if the value changes for 10 or more. Add analog multi-source component. Add pulse generator component. Select pulse generator 1 and in the properties window set frequency to 0.1. And add detect edge component. Now add timer component. Select timer 1 and in the properties window set interval to 3 million, and of course you can adjust this value according to your needs. Connect Arduino digital pin 5 to ultrasonic ranger 1 pin echo and connect ultrasonic ranger 1 pin trigger to Arduino digital pin 6. Connect ultrasonic ranger 1 pin out to change only 1 pin in. Connect change only 1 pin out to analog multi-source 1 pin in and connect analog multi-source 1 pin 0 to pulse generator 1 pin reset. Now connect analog multi-source 1 pin 1 to timer 1 pin reset and connect pulse generator 1 pin out to detect edge 1 pin in Now connect detect H1 pin out to timer 1 pin start and connect timer 1 pin out to Arduino board digital pin 2. At the bottom, click on the Build tab and make sure that you selected the right port and board, and click Compile, Build and Upload button.